Hi there, I'm Jay with LifePlan Lawyer. We are a wills, trust, and probate law firm, and I wanted to tell you about a situation that happened recently with one of my clients. So he was helping out his aunt. His aunt was very ill, and he visited her in the hospital. And what he had attempted to do was he had attempted to get her to sign a deed to transfer her property over to her daughter before his aunt passed away. So good intentions, thinking this would somehow make things easier in the future if this could be done while aunt was still alive. He wasn't successful in doing that because the hospital made it very difficult to get a notary to go in, and so he was somewhat apologetic when he talked to me about the situation. And so the good news here is that he actually benefited, or I should say the daughter benefited tremendously from the fact that the property stayed in the aunt's name. What happens when someone passes away is they get one of probably the largest tax break that any of us will get in our lifetime. Maybe not if you're Bill Gates or Elon Musk. You may have some other tricks up your sleeve. But for the regular folks like us, when someone passes away, all of the gain that we have accumulated on our assets, our homes, our stocks, the taxes that might have been due if we were to sell those assets disappears when we pass away. So in this example, the mother had purchased property, or the aunt had purchased her property for under $100,000. It was worth about $1.5 million when she died. That is about $1.4 million of capital gain that would be due on that property. And if they had transferred it over to the daughter would still be in that situation. Whenever the daughter sold, she would owe the tax on $1.4 million. But the fact that mom passed away and she owned this property, those taxes go away. If the daughter now goes to sell, her starting point is $1.5 million, mom's date of death value, not the $100,000. So it's called the step up in basis. You'll see some other videos here on this, but I just wanted to give you a real life example of how this could have really been a disaster. And fortunately, thanks to the bureaucracy of the hospitals, yay, they were not able to get a notary in there, and so the end result is a much better tax situation.